gonna have to fight these things inside or something.
Yeah, we can lead them in loops while we cool down inside.
My agoraphobia is loving that idea.
You guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a weapon back from the base.
I'm bringing them in here.
Oh, there's already some in here. I can tell you this.
Oh, they're coming through the building.
We're leaving.
Guys. Yeah, you're getting trapped.
I swear.
Sam, no. Sam!
Jesus.
No! No, you fucking... Oh, who is that? Who's driving? Oh, shit.
A car just spawned on my head.
I know, I just saw you drive through two. I'm gonna tow it off. You drove through a white van too, and I'm like, oh shit. Oh, the fucking trailer spawned under me. What's happening? It's chaos at the disco.
Fuck!
Oh no.
I
Stop
kept eating because I was sick. I made it worse.
You might die now.
I'm gonna die. Fuck you! Don't laugh at me.
Oh no! Well-timed laugh.
Back up, Jax.
Run back, Jax. Run back, Jax. Run, Jax.
Run, Jax, run. What do you know?
I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
What the fuck?
Are you using this car, Luigi?
Wait, what?
What the fuck? Yo! What the fuck? Holy shit, I almost died.
Somebody help me.
He's stuck again.
It happened again, Andy. I'm so.
Oh my fucking god.
The cars keep appearing underneath me.
Ahí voy, amigo. ¿Cuánto? Pensé que estás adelante, vos. Dije, ahí voy. Pero...